Swadika, thank you for joining us for the evening edition of NBT World Brief. I'm Chalapansan Arula. Thailand and Singapore have recently discussed the strengthening of cooperation in defence, energy and food security. Government spokesperson Ratchada Thanadirek reported that the discussion was between Thai Prime Minister ANUTIN and Singaporean Coordinating Minister for Public Services and Minister for Defence Chan Chun Sing. Regarding defence, both sides recognize the robust relationship highlighted by annual joint exercises like Cobra Gold. The Thai Prime Minister confirmed ongoing support for Singaporean military training in the country. In the energy sector, the leaders discussed regional power grid connectivity to improve efficiency and renewable energy usage. This coordination aims to strengthen energy security across Southeast Asia. Furthermore, the talk identified opportunities in the aviation industry for aircraft maintenance and overhaul. The Singaporean minister also expressed interest in the land bridge project as a strategic logistics link. In response, the Thai Prime Minister noted that the initiative requires significant investment and international cooperation. The Finance Ministry plans to submit the Thais Help Thais Plus project to the Economic Cabinet next Monday. Deputy Prime Minister and Finance Minister Ekniti Nitithan Praphat elaborated that currently the Comptroller General's Department and the Bureau of the Budget are identifying funding sources by reviewing delayed or underutilized budget allocations. Clearer details on the funding are expected to be finalized by this Thursday. Furthermore, Minister Ekniti highlighted that public procurement is a vital mechanism for advancing national development. During the International Public Procurement Conference 2026, he emphasized plans to support small and medium-sized enterprises. The government intends to improve access to state contracts and financial resources by upgrading digital procurement platforms. These systems will integrate with banking networks to make it easier for smaller businesses to secure necessary financing. In addition to economic support, the initiative focuses on sustainability and innovation through green procurement practices. This strategy aims to reduce environmental impacts while providing more opportunities for startups to enter the public sector market. The administration is also reinforcing its Made in Thailand policy and promoting open data to enhance transparency and accountability. A workshop has been organized to explore the drafting of a new National Education Act with the goal of reshaping the human capital of Thailand. The event was presided over by Deputy Prime Minister and Higher Education Minister Yochanan Wongsawat and joined by Minister of Education Praset Chantraruangthong, along with representatives from the private sector and civil society. The workshop sought to align the education system with the demands of the 21st century. The proposed act focuses on innovation, adaptability, and real-world skills through broad participation. Regarding national development, the Deputy Prime Minister explained that the reform is critical for future growth. He said the government intends to establish a lifelong learning system for all citizens. This includes continuous upskilling and reskilling programs. The Higher Education Minister stressed that equal access to education remains a top priority. The focus will shift from institutional prestige towards globally competitive competencies. This strategy ensures every child in Thailand has an equitable opportunity to succeed. Moreover, the discussion addressed systemic challenges such as the administrative burden on educators. Minister Praset highlighted that teachers currently spend 40% of their time on paperwork. The new policy measures aim to streamline these processes. This change will return valuable time to teachers for classroom instruction. Results from this workshop will inform the final drafting of the Act for immediate implementation. Officials have been instructed to conduct a crackdown on fraudulent travel agencies following a significant increase in travel contract violations and failed tour services. According to Minister attached to the Prime Minister's office, SUPAMAS, the government intends to ensure fair compensation for victims while restoring global confidence in the tourism sector of Thailand. Furthermore, the Office of the Consumer Protection Board is collaborating with the Department of Tourism to verify the licenses of travel agencies nationwide. Records show that between 2024 and 2025, officials filed civil lawsuits totaling nearly 100 million baht in damages. Common fraudulent practices include deceptive advertising with unrealistically low prices and last-minute cancellations without refunds. The minister noted that these deceptive tactics harm both the economy and the reputation of the country. To prevent further fraud, authorities are educating travellers on the importance of verifying agency licenses through official channels. Consumers are advised to avoid travel packages priced significantly below the market average, as these often indicate scams. Anyone who has experienced unfair treatment can contact the 1166 hotline or use the OCPB Connect mobile application for support. These resources are available 24 hours a day to assist the public with grievances and legal claims. The government remains committed to protecting consumer rights through strict law enforcement and continuous monitoring. A nationwide initiative was launched to develop specialized medical clinics. This policy aims to improve patient access and address the challenge of retaining medical professionals within the state system. Speaking about the program, Public Health Minister Pattana Prampath disclosed that his ministry is expanding both after-hours and premium in-hours services to offer more flexible treatment options. These clinics will also generate additional income to provide financial incentives for healthcare personnel. Furthermore, the minister emphasized that the policy places patients at the center by reducing waiting times. While costs will be higher than regular services, they remain significantly lower than those at private hospitals. Officials reassured the public that standard hospital services will not be disrupted by these clinics. Participating staff are required to fulfill their regular duties before working in the specialized units. Authorities expect about 10% of patients will choose these enhanced options. Meanwhile, Deputy Permanent Secretary for Public Health, Sopon Iemsirithawon, noted that the clinics target insured patients and foreign nationals. New regulations now allow hospitals to manage and reinvest their revenue generated from these services. Currently, 205 hospitals provide after-hours clinics, while 33 offer premium daytime services across various departments. This strategic shift aims to balance affordability and workforce sustainability while maintaining core public health integrity. And that wraps up our evening edition of NBT World Brief. Until next time, I'm Cholapan Sanarula. Bye bye now. Sawasdee ka.